Hello everyone, it is Tayslaystv here and I am back with another video. I hope you guys are having a great start to your new year. So for today's video, I showed you guys how I laid my wig. Pretty much, I didn't do so much styling to it because it was already styled, but I did give you guys a few tips here and there and let you know all the products that I did use. So, yeah, I'm not gonna make this a long intro, so I hope that you guys enjoy, and if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieved this luscious hair, I suggest you keep on watching. Hello everyone. All right, so let's get started. I look crazy, but you know, at the end of this video, we're not, so that's all that matters. So I have my wig. They're in pin curls. They've been in pin curls overnight. And yeah, so this wig, this is from Beauty Forever Hair. It is, well, it was either 26 or 24 inches. And it was, I believe it was BodyWave. And it's a 5x5 HD closure. It's a full lace wig, but the lace is a 5x5 HD closure. So that's why it's like, so you can see my fingers under this, like, babe, it's giving scalp. Okay, so yes, this is the wig. So you want to get your wig. If you're doing this with me, girl, get your wig. Now you can wear a wig cap. Usually I do wear this color wig cap, but because this lace is HD and it's literally like see-through, so like you could see the edge of the wig cap, and I personally don't like how it looks because I can see it's just like a line, and it just does not, it's not cute. So when I wear this wig, I don't wear anything under it. Because this is a closure, it comes to about here, and then I have like the sides out, but me personally, I like to lay these, like this part of my edges, just so everything's kind of cohesive. And also, I'm going to use some gel. I'm just using some Eco Styler gel. You can use edge control, whatever you use to slick your hair back. The edge control that I'm using is the Kiss. What is it? If it'll focus. This is the Kiss Edge. Come on. This is the Kiss Edge Fixer in the scent Grape. This is a Sweetie's edge control. It's really bomb. Like, ever since she came out with it, this is all I've been using. Like, it's my favorite edge control. You want to get like an edge brush or whatever, and you want to just slick your edges back, or whatever you don't have showing, you want to slick it back. So I'm just gonna kind of just slick all of this back. And I have a widow's peak, and the way my wig is, I have to slick this front back because it'll show, and I don't want that. And in this video, particularly, I'm actually laying this wig. So usually I don't lay my wigs. Like, I just kind of slap it on so I could take it off. But it still looks good. Like, it still doesn't, it's not, you can't clock me. So there's that. Then for the side, since I am wearing a closure, you know, if you're wearing a frontal, you could just push everything back. So yeah, I'm just gonna do my edges how I usually do them. So I did my, you know, my portion of my edges. So this is another thing that you want to make sure that you have. You want to make sure you have 91% alcohol. This is also going to remove any oil, so that, you know, your lace, you know, sits, okay? You don't want anything lifting, so you want to make sure you get some alcohol. I should have did this first, but I forgot. But, you know, since I haven't laid anything, I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. Put it right up in the front, everywhere that is going to be lace. You want to get some 91 proof. All right, so I've never been on camera in my straight backs before. This is interesting. Thank God I just got these done yesterday. So this is optional, not really optional, but you know, it's your hair, so I would want you to take care of your hair. So I like to, you know, make sure I oil my scalp, especially since I'm laying the wig. I'm probably gonna have it on for like a couple days, so I want to make sure that my hair under is, you know, being taken care of, and my scalp as well, because I have a really dry scalp, and my scalp gets itchy really quick. So I'm gonna use some oil. My scalp is oiled and everything, so we're ready to put the wig on. So if you do have a wig cap, you want to put your wig cap on. I don't do like a bald cap method, but if that's what you do or decide to do, by all means, do it, girl. So I'm gonna put my wig on. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm forgetting a step. I'm not forgetting a step, I'm forgetting to let you guys know about a step. Okay, so one of the things that aids in making my lace look literally like my skin is this baby right here. The True Match Lace Concealer. This is the dark shade in the lace tint. This is the same lace tint that Alonzo Arnold uses, and I got it, like, I bought it because of him. And this is like $20. Please get it. Like, they have different shades for all skin tones. Get it. If you can, get it. If not, then you could use like foundation, concealer, any of those things. But I don't use those anymore. I use the lace tint. And it is like the best thing ever. All right, so the wig is on. It looks crazy because, you know, the pin curls, but we're not gonna worry about that because we're gonna take them down in a minute. Okay. And as you can see, you know, so it blends with, that's why I do my own edges, just to help it blend a lot better. I'm gonna get like the little end, and you want to comb. So what I do, I just comb any of the baby hairs that I already have cut. Since this is a wig that I always wear, I have everything kind of already done. It's just kind of redoing everything, you know, putting everything back into place. I get asked a lot, you know, what do I use to lay my wigs? And a lot of people think I use adhesives. Personally, I've never used any adhesives. I've wanted to try them, but I don't like keeping wigs on for too long. I kind of go for a more not so permanent thing, even though it's not permanent, but I'm not trying to have my wig on for like more than a week. I don't even like having my wig on for 3 days. So, you know, if you want to use your adhesive, you can. But I use the Got2b, good old Got2b freeze spray. But yeah, so I use the freeze spray. You also want to make sure you have a rat tail comb, preferably these, because this is going to come in handy. And you want to have a blow dryer. You want to make sure that it is on the cool setting. And what I like to do, So I'm just gonna take these pins in the front off just because I don't want to like mess up the pins. And yeah, so this is what I'm going to do. So where you guys see where I brush down the baby hairs, the lace, I like to spray behind the baby hairs because I don't want any of the baby hairs to get stuck or anything and have to deal with having to like use water or use more alcohol to kind of lift it up. This is just an easier way to do it so you don't make a mess, because it is very easy to make a mess, especially of this. So yeah, so you want to make sure everything is pushed, or everything, you know, the wig is on how you need it to be. Right, and then when you do it, you just kind of want to do a little tug. And if it's still, you know, not completely laid, then, you know, you just kind of put a little bit. But I like to literally do little sprays, comb, little sprays, comb, make sure, you know, everything's drying properly. Yeah, and then it looks like that. So I'm going to keep doing it, and then guys, so after you finish, your lace should look like this. So then once I finish, you know, you want to do a little tug test. You see, ain't going nowhere, okay? And then I like to brush, well, comb the baby hairs just to make sure there's no freeze spray or anything in it, because, you know, it'll make them like stiff and sticky, and I don't like that. So I like to make sure everything is nice and combed out, because I don't like anything looking hard either. From here, your lace is laid, okay? So what I like to do after, I just like to mold, I guess you would call it mold, or kind of just lay the baby hairs. I'm gonna get my edge brush, and I like to use Mousse. So I'm going to use the Nairobi setting mousse. As you can see, I don't really, you know, they're just real simple baby hairs, nothing too crazy or nothing. All right, so as you guys can see, we got our lace is just melting. You know, we're gonna let her marinate, let her simmer, and I'm going to go ahead and do my makeup, and then I will be back to finish everything else. Hey guys, so we are back. You know, I got ready because I actually have somewhere to be. So I am going to we're gonna, you know, see how the lace is, melted. Are you guys ready for the moment of truth? Boom. And there you have it. And there you have it, folks. Now we're gonna go ahead, I'm gonna take the pins out, and I'm just gonna speed this up because, you know, they're just pins. So. Alright right, so what I like to do once I take my pins out, you can either use a rat tail comb or like a wig brush, vent brush, whatever you want to call it, and then you just want to brush out the curls. So this is how it's looking. I look good. Okay. All right. Now what I'm going to do, I do need to fix a few things. So let's see. So for one, I need to kind of fix the top. It's kind of a little bumpy from, you know, the pins. So I'm just going to, so this is the curling iron that I use to get these curls. This is a Miro Pure one, I think it's like a 1/2 inch or inch or something, I don't know, 1.5 inches maybe, barrel. I got this from Amazon. So to kind of fix it, I'm just kind of going along. And if y'all don't have a flat iron, I mean, what is it called? A hot comb. If you guys don't have a hot comb to layer wigs, I know a lot of people use hot combs. I don't have a hot comb, so I use a curling wand, or you could use a curling iron. Make sure, you know, it's hot enough, and you just want to get a rat tail comb. You want to kind of comb it through and then follow it up with the barrel in the heat, and it literally gets it flat. It literally does the same thing. So if you are thinking about getting a hot comb because you feel like you need one, I'm here to tell you, girl, you don't need it. All right, y'all, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I was informative. The next one will be a lot more in depth, seeing how, you know, I already had the wig pretty much like already set, like, you know, already styled and everything. So definitely look out for the next one. It'll be a lot more in depth, but I do hope you guys enjoyed this. If you guys have any questions, any products that you use on your wigs that you want to recommend, leave them down below. Don't forget to like, rate, comment, and subscribe. Tap the notification bell so that you're notified every time I post another video. I hope you guys are staying safe. I hope you guys are having a great start to your new year, and see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.